because I've been waiting for this packages from Amazon. I really want to know if it's Oh my gosh, this is a package from me. Yes, I know that because it's my packages. Some mail. A package? Is it really? Okay. There's some more mail. So let me get this. This is a lot of packages and mail. Okay, let's go back inside. I don't want to lose anything. Guys, it was such a windy day, but we're going to go home and open my packages. Yay! Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Zyra. And in this video, I'm going to be opening my packages. I don't know if these are the ones that I've been waiting for, but I'm going to be starting with this one. Okay, so let's open this one with my scissors. I love cutting things. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the bodysuit for my gymnastics. I've been waiting for this one. It's so pretty and it's my favorite color. Blue. It's totally gonna fit me. So guys, we opened this one. Now let's open this one. I hope it is what I'm wanting for like ever. Forever, forever, forever. It's my Fidget pack! OMG! Let's see what's in here. So we got this infinity cube. It's so mini. Okay, I'm so excited to play with it. This Among Us puppet. Let's open it. Woo! I've been waiting for an Among Us puppet since like ever. Wait. So this is. Oh, this is the loud side, quiet side. Don't really hear anything, but loud side. And it works so well. It works so well. Oh my gosh, I got my triple dimple. I'm totally gonna try it out. I'm just cutting everything, even though it has it. Loud side. I love this. And it even has a little keychain. I really love that. I can just connect it to my backpack or anything else. Oh, my pop tube. That's so loud. Okay, I'm not gonna put this back because I'm going to be playing it with a gun. A marble and mash. I think it's marble and mash. Marble mash. This is very fun to play with. And also do this. I stretch it. Let's see. What else? My pea popper. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's so much fun. Wait. It even has a little face. That's so cute. What else? Oh my gosh. Another pea popper. It has a little face too. The same face, yeah. This one has the same face as the other one. It's just so tiny. So here's the face. There's one on this side and the other one on the other side. So these ones have the same faces. Let's see. Another pop tube. Oh my gosh. I heard that they can connect together. Another pop tube. It's so loud. Another popcorn. Yep, that's. Let's see some. A bike chain. I've been waiting for a bike chain for like my whole life. I love bike chains because they are so cool. They're like a ring. I don't really know how they make it. It's super duper cool. My favorite color, marble and mash. So cool. I can just move it, move it, move it. It's so cool. Stretchy and twisty. I love these ones. Sometimes I call them a snakey because they look like a snake. Another one, a snakey. You know why I call them a snakey. A marble and mash. I really love marble and mash because they're so fun to play with, and also a pop too. Another snakey. A massage ring. And these are actually like a massage ring. A silver one and a gold one. Gold one. And a gold one. Two more sneakies. They're so cool. These are so nice to play with. Ooh, what is this? Okay, let's put that over there. I've been waiting for this. This is my favorite fidget of all. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's so cool. This one's my favorite one. Another snakey. I call them snakies. I love calling them snakies. They're so cool. This one I really love because I can stretch them because they're so stretchy. I think I really love all the fidgets that I have. I'm going to get more of course. I'm going to get more and stars. I might search up like fidget stars and I'll give you a haul of them. And I'll give you a video of course. I like this. Okay. Oh! This one is the same one. Squishy. And another one. Same face but different color. It's pink. Same position but different color. I really love this one. So cool. I forgot what this is called, but I've been wanting this one since forever. Ever since my somebody in my daycare had this, I was like, I really want this one because she let me use it for once. And she was like, yeah, you can test it. And I said, thanks. And then I started using it. And I was like, ooh, I should get this. I was very happy. And also this one's the same kind. Not different color, but same color. See what they look like. I forgot what they called. What they're called. Another massage thing. And last but not least, this one's so cool. I need to fidget, so this. Oh my gosh. And these are all my fidgets and my bodysuit that I got from Amazon. I am very happy that I got these. Wow. This is fun. Wow, this is very cool. It's kind of tricky when to make it go back where it was, like how it came. So cool. You can make it into a cube and straighten it, like, and then put it back how it was. So cool. Like this, then this, then this. Cool. Oh my gosh. What is inside of it? So nice. My pop it. Right side. Very quiet. Don't really hear it that much. I should like. I really want to bring all my fidgets to school. Okay. Now. I really like the pea poppers because one of my friends told me that they are very popular and rare. That's why I added this pea popper. Oh, and also, even before my friend told me, I was like, is this popular? Because I really like this. I feel like this is popular. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to get this. My pop tube. Oh my gosh. So nice. Even putting it back. Sounds like a song. But very loud. Very, very loud. Also, my triple dimple. Yes. So guys, this is all my fidgets. And also, my bodysuit. So guys, I hope you liked this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the post notification. Bye guys!